In this video, we're comparing Coursera, Udemy, and Skillshare, three of the most popular online learning platforms, to help you decide which one is best for you. Let's start with Coursera. If you're looking for university-level education, Coursera is the way to go. It partners with top schools like Stanford and Yale, offering professional certificates, degrees, and academic-style courses. Most courses are structured, take weeks to complete, and some even offer accredited certificates. Great for career advancement, but it's also the most expensive of the three. Next is Udemy. It's ideal for skill based learning at your own pace. You'll find thousands of affordable, one time payment courses in topics like coding, design, marketing, and more. No subscription required. Just pay once and keep the course forever. The downside, course quality can vary since anyone can create a course. Finally, Skillshare focuses on creativity, freelancing, and productivity. Think design, illustration, photography, and even time management. It's subscription based, so you pay monthly or yearly and get unlimited access to all classes. Courses are short and project based, perfect for creatives or hobbyists. So, which is best? Choose Coursera if you want certifications or academic learning. Pick Udemy for affordable, flexible, one time learning. Go with Skillshare if you're into creative skills and community driven classes. Ultimately, the best platform depends on your goals, budget, and learning style. Thanks for watching.